Every year, over 6 million car accidents occur in the US alone, and most of them involve new or inexperienced drivers. That's not just a number, it's a wake-up call. If you've just started driving or want to stay out of trouble on the road, these 7 tips from real professionals could make all the difference between a close call and a costly crash. Number 1, look far ahead. One key habit of experienced drivers is keeping their eyes well down the road, not just at the ground in front of the car. This is often called aim high in steering. Look toward where you want the vehicle to go. New drivers tend to stare just over the hood, but professional instructors train you to lift your gaze and focus farther ahead. The reason is simple: your hands will follow your eyes, and looking further ahead gives you more time to react and plan. Whether you're approaching a curve or merging onto a highway, steering your vision toward the distance helps you smoothly adjust to oncoming traffic or hazards. By always looking where you want to go, you'll drive more strategically and avoid surprises. Number 2, continuously scan your surroundings. Driving pros constantly scan their environment front, sides, and behind to maintain total awareness. Avoid fixating on any one spot for more than a couple of seconds. Instead, keep your eyes moving. Regularly check the road far ahead, then the mid-distance, then your immediate front, and repeat. Crucially, build your mirrors into this scan. Get in the habit of glancing at your mirrors every few seconds. Experts recommend roughly every 5-10 seconds, so you always know what's happening beside and behind you. This continuous scanning prevents tunnel vision and ensures you catch developing hazards from all angles. By actively looking around, including frequent mirror and blind spot checks, you'll catch things like a fast approaching car or a child chasing a ball before they become immediate emergencies. The best drivers treat situational awareness as second nature, constantly updating their mental picture of the traffic around them. Number 3, always leave a space cushion. Never box yourself in. Seasoned drivers maintain a buffer of space on all sides of their vehicle, so there's room to brake or maneuver in a pinch. Always ask yourself, where could I go if the unexpected happens? If a car is tailgating you, for example, leave extra following distance in front of you. This way, you won't have to brake hard if traffic slows. Likewise, try not to drive directly alongside other vehicles. If someone is pacing you next to your car, either accelerate slightly or ease off so you're not stuck side by side. Keeping the lane beside you clear gives you an escape path if you need to swerve suddenly. Even when stopped in traffic, don't bumper up against the car ahead. A good rule is to stop far enough back that you can see their rear tires touching the pavement. This space means you can go around them if necessary. The goal is to always have an out. By managing your space cushion, you ensure that a sudden hazard, like a swerving car or debris on the road, doesn't leave you with nowhere to go. Number 4, make sure other drivers. See you driving is not just about what you see, it's also about making sure other road users see you. Experienced drivers take steps to be visible and communicate their intentions clearly. For example, don't linger in another driver's blind spot where they might not notice you. Either pass or drop back, but avoid hiding alongside other vehicles. Use your turn signals early and properly for every lane change or turn so others can anticipate your moves. It also helps to drive with your headlights on during the day, in many countries, to increase your car's visibility. Instructors even suggest trying to make eye contact with drivers or pedestrians at intersections. If you can see them look at you, you know they're aware of your presence. Number 5, anticipate potential hazards. Driving defensively means constantly thinking ahead. The best drivers are always asking, what if, and watching for early warning signals. Rather than just reacting to what's happening in the moment, train yourself to anticipate what might happen next. This is a skill that comes with experience. You learn to read the body language of other road users. For example, a car's brake lights flickering or a driver repeatedly glancing over could mean they'll change lanes. A pedestrian standing at a corner looking over their shoulder might be about to jaywalk. A cyclist wobbling could swerve unexpectedly. Professional instructors constantly prompt students with questions like, what would you do if that oncoming car suddenly swerves? By mentally rehearsing scenarios, you're ready to act when they occur. Make it a habit to scan several cars ahead for brake lights or erratic movements, not just the vehicle immediately in front of you. This early hazard perception is a true superpower of skilled drivers. It buys you extra seconds to react and prevents many close calls. In short, always expect the unexpected. If you actively look for potential dangers and have a plan in mind, you'll drive like a seasoned pro who's never caught off guard. Number 6. Be smooth with steering and braking. New drivers often struggle with jerky starts, sudden stops, and twitchy steering. Smooth control is something veteran drivers pride themselves on. It keeps the car balanced and stable, and passengers comfortable. In fact, one of the first lessons from a professional instructor is that slow hands and feet make for better driving. Avoid rapid, hard motions on the wheel or pedals. Steer with a relaxed grip and gradual movements. Any steering input should be fluid, not a yank. The same goes for acceleration and braking. Press the pedals gently and progressively. Smooth driving, as taught in advanced courses, means gradual acceleration and anticipated braking rather than flooring it or slamming brakes last second. If you see a red light or a hazard ahead, ease off the gas early and start braking lightly to slow down in time, instead of waiting and jamming the brake. This kind of subtle control gives your tires better grip and keeps the car from getting unsettled. Remember that a car in motion transfers weight with every input. Experienced drivers use delicate, measured inputs so the vehicle remains composed. By being deliberate and gentle with steering, gas, and brake, you maintain maximum control and traction. The result is not only safer, but also makes your ride smoother and more predictable for others on the road. Number 7. Stay calm and avoid overconfidence. Seasoned drivers know that the right mindset is crucial for safe driving. For new drivers, emotions and attitude can be a hidden hazard. It's normal to feel nervous or to get overconfident after a little success, but both extremes can lead to mistakes. Professionals warn that confidence must be built on skill, not luck. As one instructor puts it, you're not driving alone until you can drive alone. In other words, don't overestimate your abilities early on. Keep a humble attitude and focus on learning from each drive. At the same time, work on staying calm and composed behind the wheel. If you stall the car or miss a turn, take a deep breath and reset. A flustered driver is a dangerous driver. Advanced driver training often includes techniques for managing stress, like controlled breathing and maintaining focus, even when others drive aggressively or unpredictably. Remember that driving is mental first, mechanical second. The best drivers remain patient, focused, and disciplined, no matter the chaos around them. Don't let pride tempt you into risky maneuvers, and don't let anger or anxiety derail your concentration. By keeping your cool and continuously self-evaluating your driving, you'll gradually build true confidence based on competence. A mastered mindset means you make decisions rationally and stay alert ultimately. It's what separates a truly skilled driver from just a lucky one.